Hey guys, I hope you all are doing well. In this video, we will discuss how you can easily integrate customer or client leads hassle-free through Meta to CRM integration with your validated leads. Everything is here to grow your marketing, service, operations, and sales with just the comfort of your fingertips. How to integrate Meta with Absolute CRM. We'll show you step by step. Make sure you don't miss a single step. First of all, go to developers.facebook.com and hit the My Apps tab located on the extreme right-hand side of your computer screen. Now, you need to go for app creation. On the next screen preview, hit the Create App button. Next, you need to type your preferred app name, which will appear on the My Apps page linked to your app ID. Go to the next bar and enter your contact email there, followed by hitting the next button. Choose an ad use case from the options provided on your screen. For exploring other products and data permissions, choose the Other option here, followed by the next button. Now hit the Business option here as app type. After that, hit the Business Portfolio drop-down menu and choose the company name, and hit the green Create App button. Now a verification pop-up will open, and you need to re-enter the password associated with your concern account. Do the same and submit. Next, on the Add Product to your app page, hit the App Settings pull-down bar and choose the Basic option there. Here, you will get the app ID and app secret code, which you need to copy the same into a sticky note for further reference. Enter the privacy policy URL. A form will open, and you should choose Business and Pages in the category bar, and set the app icon by uploading it from your Systems folder. Hit the Save Changes and proceed with your saved credentials. Now, turn the app mode to live. After that, hit the Tools section at the menu bar, and then choose the Graph API Explorer option there for seamless Meta integration. Change the Meta app to New App, and choose the permissions you want to add in the permission section. Email, Pages Show List, Ads Management, Ads Read, Business Management, Pages Messaging, Pages Messaging Subscriptions, Pages Read Engagement, Pages Manage Metadata, Pages Read User Content, Pages Manage Posts, Pages Manage Ads, Leads Retrieval. Now, generate the token. Copy the access token code and go to the Absolute CRM software. Now, tap the Integrate option available in the Automation section. Now, you need to fill in various fields like FB Page Access Token Code, Facebook App ID, and Facebook App Secret ID. You can paste them here, whatever you have copied a few moments ago here, followed by hitting the Save button. Voila! Here, you will see a successful integration message via a pop-up notification. Now, come to the lead fetching procedure through the same automation section. Go to the Facebook pages list to know the status of various Facebook pages available for lead integration. You will see page status, category, FB page name, page ID, and fetch lead, etc. Check the box of any one FB page and you will get various details like FB lead form name, lead form ID, fetch lead, FB lead source, Instagram lead source, and the employee who is using the same. You should configure the form by tapping the matching form field, and you will get a new pop-up with various details like lead form ID, form field name, and DB column name, etc. Check the form field name there and choose the relevant options in the DB column name according to the type of entry, followed by the Submit button. Now you will see that your form is configured with green letters. Convert the Fetch Lead option to Yes, followed by choosing the relevant option, like Facebook Lead Source and Instagram Lead Source. It will help you see the leads in your CRM. Similarly, you can configure other pages too with the same procedure. Finally, hit the Save button. You will get a message informing you that your Facebook pages are updated successfully. Once the lead integration is done successfully with a CRM, it's time to understand how a Facebook engagement is displayed on the CRM dashboard as a lead. First, When the user opens his Facebook page by signing and using on any property campaign post you like, hit the Get in Touch option and a pop-up will appear titled Real Estate CRM. Here, you need to enter your requirements. It will include number of bedrooms, your budget, expected time to purchase the property. Tap Continue to proceed. After a while, you need to provide your full name and contact number in the pop-up, followed by tapping the Continue button. Now read the privacy policy and press the Submit option. A thank you message will appear via a prompt box informing you that you are all set for this lead to check in your CRM. Now, to cross-check the recent lead you have added, open the Absolute CRM dashboard. Enter the lead dashboard by tapping the Lead tab on the menu bar. Now click on the New Leads section. The lead record will open on your screen. Check for the name, phone number, and the lead source, which relates to the recent lead you have received from your customer. Congratulations! Let adding and processing become easy with the smart integration of CRM. Keep growing. Thank you for watching this video.